In this guide, we will discuss how to fix the iMessages not syncing on Mac issue. Let's start with the simplest method. Part 1. What to do when iMessages not syncing on Mac. Solution 1. Check iMessage email addresses on iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Choose Message. Tap on Send and Receive. Under You can be reached by iMessage at. Make sure the phone number or email address is enabled. Solution 2. Check iMessage email addresses on Mac. Open the Message app on your Mac and tap Messages. Choose Preferences in the drop-down list and then choose Accounts. Under the You can be reached for messages at section. Make sure that the phone number and Apple ID are the same. Solution 3. Sign out and sign into iMessages on Mac. Open Messages on your Mac. Go to Preferences. Log out of your account. Reopen Messages. Log in with your Apple email and password. Solution 4. Turn off iMessage and turn it on again on iPhone and Mac. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Messages, toggle off iMessage. Wait a few seconds and then turn it on again. On your Mac, go to Messages, Preferences, Accounts, Sign out. Wait a few seconds and then log in again. Solution 5. Confirm your phone number with Apple ID. Go to Apple's official website at appleid.apple.com and log in with your Apple ID and password. Navigate to Account, and you will see all your personal information. Check to make sure that the phone number and email address are correct. Solution 6. Try to send iMessage from Mac. Solution 7. Restart iPhone and Mac devices. Part 2. A better way to sync iMessages between iPhone and Mac. The last and ultimate way to solve the problem of messages not syncing between iPhone and Mac is to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a one-stop data management for iOS device. It can transfer messages from iOS device to computer easily. How to transfer messages from iPhone to Mac with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run Assistant for iOS. Step 2. Preview and select the messages. Step 3. Sync messages from iPhone to Mac.